Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of part 1 of our homework 6. In this homework, we are going to touch base upon high-level synthesis. We started with sourcing the CWB-GUI license, and then we opened a project to create an average of 8 with a clock period of 50 megahertz. We parsed the source code and we successfully generated our IFF file, as you can see here. We also added the synthesis options and generated the constraints files, and we also have our constraints file here, which is fcount, and our library files flib and mlib generated here, as you can see. Then we synthesized this RTL, and we have our synthesis report right here, which says the resource utilization, the family, and all other information from our synthesis report. We also have our error report over here, wherein we have one warning. Then we also saw the synthesis results, and we can also see here in the form of the data path. So this is our data path synthesis result shown here, and also we were able to see our signal list as well from here, which signal table, which is shown here. Then we generated our scheduling result, which looks like this, and then we will go ahead and do the logic synthesis part of it. We finished our logic synthesis, and here we have a tickle file generated. We do not have a quarters path added here, so we would be demonstrating the quarters logic synthesis part later. Then we went ahead to the simulation part of the homework, wherein we are going to perform pure software simulation, behavioral and cycle accurate, and RTL type of simulation. So we will do a normal software simulation first. For that, we have added C as our preprocessor, and also added two different simulation environments, which are RTL. Here, as you can see, we have created two different simulation scenarios. Here, as you can see, we ran the make file and gave indata.txt as an input and generated an outdata.txt, and now we would be comparing it with the goal. So I was facing some issues with the generation of waveform, but then we also have a pattern file of the project name getting generated as a part of the pattern files folder, and I tried comparing that with the original output file that was copied from our system C output data generated, and they both match.